The Ballon USB solar festoons are the first lighting product to incorporate the state-of-the-art Flex LED strip. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Ballon USB solar festoon lights. Let's get into it. The Ballon USB solar festoon lights bring atmospheric lighting to your garden quickly and easily. Each set has 20 festoon globes spaced 50 centimeters apart on a 9.5 meter string. There is an additional 3 meters of cable between the first light and the leaf solar panel. Each festoon globe is 8 centimeters in diameter and 11 centimeters in height, including the cap. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the leaf solar panel, the stake, the screws, the USB charging cable, the leaf ball joining mount, and the festoon lights. These lights are super easy to set up. All you have to do is connect your festoon string to the solar panel through the 5-pin connector and you're all good to go. There are 2 ways to mount your leaf solar panel. You can stake it into soft ground or fix it to a wall or a fence. Simply attach the relevant parts to the leaf solar panel and it will be ready to start collecting those solar rays. Just make sure your panel's in a sunny spot, otherwise it may not work as effectively. Let's take a deeper look into the leaf panel and all the features that it has. You'll need to unscrew the back to access the power button, the mode button, the batteries and the USB-C charging port. This panel can hold up to 3 batteries, but this model only comes with 1, which is perfectly sufficient for typical use. You can always add more batteries though if you'd like to increase the energy storage capacity. These lights have 2 modes. We've got full power mode and we've got power saving mode, which offers 50% brightness and preserves the energy. We recommend using power saving mode during the darker winter months. The 5 charge indicator lets you know how much battery you've got left. The levels are 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. If your battery's low, you may want to opt for the USB-C charging. You can use the included power cable to charge the leaf panel. There's an extra mode button located underneath the USB-C port. On some lights this activates a flashing mode, but on the Ballon festoons it simply acts as an extra off button. The leaf panel has a built-in dusk sensor, which means the lights will turn on automatically after sunset and remain on for 7 hours. If we cover the solar panel, it tricks the lights to thinking it's night time and the lights will turn on. These lights are IP67 waterproof and are designed to work year round. They're the perfect lights for hanging under pergolas, trees or even strung along fences. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.